The offshore wind market is showing a significant growth over the coming decade. Not only the amount of wind turbines we're going to install is increasing, but also the turbine sizes themselves and their foundations. We're going to install monopiles all over the world, in deeper waters with sometimes less favorable soils. And with these bigger monopiles, this is where pile run becomes a serious risk. Pile run happens when the soil is not able to hold the monopile, either because it's too heavy or if it has too much momentum. This is where the pile can start falling rapidly down until the soil resistance picks up again to stop the monopile. But by then, it could maybe already have caused a serious damage. What makes pile run so complex is that it heavily depends on soil properties, which differ for every location. Especially when the layer below is softer than the layer on top, then pile run becomes very hard and complex to predict and can occur extremely suddenly. This is a very extreme example, but it shows that not taking into account pile run could have serious consequences for the monopile itself, for the crane, for the vessel, and ultimately for the people performing the operation. What's also good to keep in mind is that pile run can happen at many stages during installation. During lowering of the pile onto the seafloor, installation of the hammer, or during driving itself. That's why at TWD we have designed the pile run parachute, or PRP. The pile run parachute is a lightweight, flexible solution fitted inside the monopile, and it restricts the water flow through a small orifice in the middle. The pile run parachute is made out of a high tension, lightweight, flexible base material covered with a wire mesh. And this creates a reusable solution that can be taken out of the monopile after monopile installation. And it does not affect driving efficiency because of its flexibility. When the pile drops, the water will flow through the orifice in the middle. And this way we start to dissipate energy. We designed this orifice such that the drop speed stays within safe limits so that the crane operator can always stay in control of the monopile. This way we eliminate risk of damage to the monopile, the crane or the vessel, or we prevent that the monopile goes out of tolerance. This is one of our latest innovations. TWD has a broad experience in monopile transport and installation technologies. If you are interested in discussing innovative monopile T&I solutions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.